Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing a suction cup that I ordered off of wish.com. And before we get into it, I want to say that I am not an affiliate and I'm not selling this product. And that's basically going to be it. Let's get into it. So this is how our product came to us. It's packaged and all that. Came in the mail today, so figured I'd do a review on it. This is it. This is it. It is a suction cup. That's all it is. And we're going to see if it can pull these 3 dents out right here. Or at least one of them. At least. But we're going to try it out and see how far we get with it. Now, as you can see here, we have my 2007 Dodge Ram. It's got 3 dents in the bumper. This was here when I bought it. I didn't do this. I'm guessing somebody just backed into this truck 3 different times at least. In 3 different places. And that's just how it wound up. When I bought it from the dealership, they had a license plate on the front here covering all that up. So I didn't see that. I didn't think to look under the license plate. So that's how we wound up here. So here we go with our first one. I'm going to put it up on this one and turn the thing back and see if I can pull on it. Nope. No chance. No chance. Nope. I don't think it's going to happen. Maybe it'll just take a couple tries here to really push it on there. Let's see what we get here. Nope. I don't think it's going to work on any of them. No. Nah. That ain't going to happen. Alright guys, since the last one didn't work, we want to try to pull this one out right here. And we'll see what we can do. Here we go. Wow. It it really did pull that dent out for the most part. Like that. Wow. I'm really going to push it on there. See if I can get a good suction on it. That's a lot better. That is so much better. I like it. It couldn't do the dent on my bumper, but that's different kind of material than what this is. I mean, there's still just a tiny dent there, but for the most part, it got the big portion of it out, which is great. I'll show you some more dents on some other vehicles that I have, and we'll see if we can get them off as well. Alright guys, so we're going to try to get this dent out right there. And we'll see how well it goes with my new suction cup. Well, that didn't work out as well as I thought it would. You see, we still got the dent right there. So far, this thing is not impressive. So I thought maybe we would try this dent right here. Small one. It's right on the curvature of the fender. But we'll try and see if we can't get it out. I won't even stick to it. So anyways, guys, this product, this suction cup I got from Wish, I paid $3 for it, I think. It got here in a timely manner, within a week. As far as I'm concerned, it's not worth the purchase. I'm going to be exploring other routes of dent pullers, if you will, and see if I can find something better, whether it's on Wish or other sites, and I'll do a review on them, and we'll go from there. Let me know if there's anything you'd like me to try, and we'll go from there and see what we can do. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more product reviews, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.